Hi everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading webinar. My name is Nenad, and today I'm going to show you new trading ideas and new setups. Before we start, always a quick risk disclaimer explaining all the risks associated with Forex market. Have in mind that foreign exchange trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourself on the risks associated with Forex trading, and have in mind that everything you hear and see is my personal opinion only. So today, as I always say, guys, why trading? Before we start, have in mind that these web addresses, you can sign up for more live trading and educational webinars. These are all webinars that definitely should be handed to you, because we are trying and we are always giving you the best possible result with our Forex trading setups and Forex education. We are always genuine and 100% sincere. So today, possible setup right now, guys. I'm monitoring the chart, and I see a possible setup on Euro New Zealand. Have in mind that it's a risky day today because of the New Zealand dollar cash rate decision that will happen later during the Wellington session, during the night. So if you enter a trade, you should definitely protect it. I'm entering right now here on this account. Okay. Okay, and stop loss is placed as 67.19. Target is 82 for 68.40. Yeah, let's do it like this. Okay, guys. So live trade Euro New Zealand. I will definitely pay attention to this trade and possibly protect it, because this can be a bit risky trade during the New Zealand a later session. As I already said, the New Zealand dollar will be subjected to price changes due to Bank of New Zealand official cash rate decision. So here you can see my screen, and we have a consolidation running after a nice spike here, and this is actually V-shaped reversal, then consolidation, and now we see a form of mini, well, it's a mini pennant, basically something between a flag and pennant, because we don't have a clear flag here, guys. I mean, we can say it's a sort of a flag, but it's not very clear, especially because of these fake outs. But if we let's say if we forget about these fake outs, this can indeed be a flag pattern, and this is the pole. So basically this could be a bullish pennant breakout. Why I say it's not a big difference between the flag and pennant here, because here we can also join these two tops here, or these two tops, and if we put it like this, you see it's more like something in between flag and pennant. And if you forget about this fake out here and join these bottoms, again it looks like a sort of running pennant, basically. If we put it like I did before, we will see actually a sort of a flag. But either way, guys, it's a bullish pattern. Here we see outside inside close. That is a signal on because of the higher time frame momentum for a bull trade. We see T89 pattern, although not a perfect, because it would be better that a body here is bullish. Yeah, it's bearish, but it would be better that it's bullish. Still, we see a pin bar rejections from the POC zone, confluence spot. So yeah, I'm long. I decided to go long. Again, guys, I'm risking only profits here. So basically, if we lose this trade, again, you should definitely risk what you earned. But if we make some nice profits, it will be big. This is the final TP. But if the price breaks this high, I would try to protect it around 68.13. by scaling out the half and putting the rest to break even +1. That is how I do usually. Okay, so this is that is it. I mean, I don't see anything else. I tried to go with dollar CAD today, but I lost this trade. Basically, I entered here, was stopped out for some 30 pips, so I'm not entering now. Other trades, yeah, again, it's normal. New Zealand dollar, I see a sell signal on my second monitor. New Zealand dollar, again, I'm already in Euro New Zealand. I don't want to be double exposed to New Zealand, the dollar currency, so I won't be trading this. I'm skipping this trade. I mean, guys, you know, when you trade, you should always try to find a balance between double exposure and currencies you trade. Because if I open a trade right now on New Zealand, it would be like a double exposure to New Zealand dollar, right? So yeah, I'm skipping this setup. Let's see if we can find. Yeah, this would have been good setup also, but again, double exposure to New Zealand dollar, and it's already going up. So it's already 50 pips up from this spot. So this was a good signal here. But as you can see, it's consolidation now. The traders are actually reluctant to trade this New Zealand, so it's normal. But let's see if we can exploit this momentum on New Zealand pairs, New Zealand dollar pairs, so we can actually get some profits. Other than that, market is very slow. Big consolidation on the GBPN also. Some sell signals here, but the price actually is ranging. You see the flat moving Bollinger Band, totally flat price action. Last signal to go long. Now we don't have any signal for a GBP for dollar yen. GBP dollar is trying to make a short trade, but I would rather wait for the price to get to 29, 10, 12, and then make a reversal pattern. That would be a signal for a possible short. Okay. Let's say Australian dollar here. You see, also we see a potential reversal. It could actually be a sell too, but again, it's not good to trade because we see that there is only 20 pips to the upside. So we don't see any big room to the upside. So we will skip this trade, guys. Let's see New Zealand dollar CAD. Yeah, this was good. A lot of rejections here. A lot of rejections. Dollar CAD, not interesting because we could see, well, maybe if the price gets here, makes a U-turn around 32.30, then we could go long. But it's not very, very interesting now. Euro Swissy, nothing to trade here. Yeah, this was a reversal here. 20 pip down, then reversal. CAD yen turned bullish. GBP Swissy. Yeah, you see, basically everything is like ranging flat. So yeah, the only thing that for me is interesting now is Euro New Zealand. The rate is expected to be unchanged. So this could be actually, maybe, I'm not sure, but this could be actually a bit bearish for the New Zealand dollar. It depends on the statement, because I think that the market has already priced in the cash rate decision. So probably, yeah. Now let's see Euro Australian dollar. Should we sell? 59.60. I'm not sure. This is maybe if the price gets there and then it starts to turn, but I need to see a signal from my method, Velislav. I wouldn't trade it blindly. This could be a sell because of this head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And this is indeed a good spot to sell. So probably I would say yes, but you need to see some confirmation, like a reversal sign. Yeah, that would be only if you see a reversal sign. It would be interesting. Okay, yeah, basically that is it. Regarding this Euro New Zealand, guys, see, I will show you right now. Okay, it should be here. You see, if the price breaks the trend line here and closes about 67.83, 84, it will probably another bullish momentum because buyers will join on a breakout, and the price will probably go to 69, 67.95, 68.13. This is the place where I would protect my profits by scaling out and putting the rest to break even plus one. In this case, it would be 67, 67, 67. But again, I'm saying the price really needs to break and closes above this spot for a new bullish impulse towards the final ATR projection. This is very important, guys. Yeah, very, very important. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. I'm not trading anything except Euro New Zealand at this point. So I guess it's pretty much clear what we need to do if we are in profit. Stop loss 67.19, platform FXDD, live account. I can also suggest, guys, that you trade with FXDD, open a live account and trade. Good platform here. Yeah, you see how it is. Bullish price action, W pattern, V-shaped reversal, W. And then this is like a sort of, as I said, something in between bullish flag and bullish pennant. But it is bullish. So this is support zone. Below this support zone, we would be stopped out. Above this, we will go straight into more profits because probably the price will break out, collect all stops of short traders, and proceed higher. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Today, as I say, it's a little bit slower because market is in consolidation phase. It's consolidating. But then again, I think that it would be good at least that we have that final push before the actual rate decision. New Zealand dollar should definitely move before the decision itself, in my opinion, but let's see. Should we sell GBP dollar 29.15? Yes, but you need to see a reversal pattern, Marius. So this is the spot, this zone, even up to this spot. You need to see a reversal outside, inside close of Bollinger Band, T89, shooting star, but it's a good spot indeed. Yes, I agree. It's daily H4, ATR top, but you need to see confirmation. You don't sell it blindly. No, just because price went here, it doesn't mean that you need to sell it. You need to see some confirmation of selling. If you trade Camarilla MACD, you know what to do. If not, then I would suggest that, well, you wait for some sort of reversal pattern here before you enter a sell. But yes, it's a good spot to sell it. I agree, Marius, with you. It's a good spot to sell. Yeah, definitely. So watch it. I mean, there is no big GBP news scheduled for today. I guess tomorrow will be the CPI inflation news. So today you should be safe to trade the GBP dollar. Yeah, so basically, guys, that's it. I mean, if you have any other questions, just ask. Euro New Zealand trade, entry 67.66, stop loss 67.19, TP 68.40. Above 67.84, I expect more bullish strength, and I would definitely protect my trade if the price goes around 67.90 or 68.13. I would scale out, put the rest to break even +1. Scaling out, it means you go, you click on your trade, then you go to instant execution, and this is how I do. I enter the half of the trade, close. If I'm in profit, I will, of course, will close the half of the profit, and the rest should be put to 67.20. Yeah, so that's it basically. I don't see any questions, so I guess that everything is clear. Let's see what will happen with Euro New Zealand. This is a live trading session, FXDD, and live account with FXDD trading. As always, each week we have live trading sessions, we have educational sessions. So sign up, guys. I will give you the link once more. Just give me a few seconds. We'll provide you with the link. Okay, this is it. And okay, so on these web addresses here, guys, is okay, and here too I will here show. Okay, these are web addresses where you can safely sign up and enjoy more live trading webinars and education. Let's see how the trade will develop. We will call it a day now. Nothing more to trade except Euro New Zealand. So 67.66 to 67.56 is the entry zone. 67.19 stop, 68.40 TP. If the price closes above 67.84, watch for the entry zone 67.90 to 68.13, and protect your trade by scaling out and putting the rest to break even. I hope that you enjoyed. Wish you a great trading day. Cheers, and as always, trade safe.